Hello everyone, you were asking me to do more foams. So today I'm gonna show you two spicy variations. One with wasabi and one with chili. So let's do it. And let's start with chili espuma. You will need white wine, double cream, red bell peppers, red onions, fresh ginger, chilies, butter, xanthan gum, salt and pepper. I'm gonna leave rough recipe in the description down below so you can check it out. First thing you have to do is to peel and chop all the vegetables. You don't need to care about sizes or shapes, just chop it roughly because at the end you're gonna blitz it anyway. Like I said, the recipe is gonna be in the description, but you can also experiment with different vegetables or spices. I'm using red onions, but you can also use normal yellow or white onions. I'm using fresh ginger, but you can also use things like lemongrass or horseradish. For my chilies, I'm using habaneros, but you can use different kind of chilies, and you can also play with amount of bell peppers and chilies depending on how much you like spicy. I'm gonna leave all the seeds in, but if you want to, you can take them out. And let's cook it. I start with a little bit of vegetable oil and butter inside a pan. I put all the vegetables in and I'm gonna sear it on high heat for around 5 minutes. At this stage, I put white wine in, season it with salt and pepper, and I leave it to reduce down. When the wine is reduced, I put water in and I'm gonna cook everything until the peppers and onions will be soft. Then at the end, I put my double cream, bring it to the boil and I transfer it inside the blender. I leave it to blitz for at least 3 minutes and then I'm gonna check my thickness, because you also need a little bit of xanthan gum. And you can really adjust the amount. If you want to make really thick foam, you put more, and if you want just light foam, more like a sauce, you just put less. So I put small pinch in, I'm gonna pass it everything through the chinois, and the foam will be ready to go. So the chili foam is done, and now let's start with wasabi. You will need wasabi paste, miso paste, green coloring, xanthan gum, mirin, white wine vinegar, double cream, salt and pepper. I start with double cream inside a pot. Then I add my wasabi paste, miso paste, and I'm gonna bring it to the boil. I season it with salt, mirin and white wine vinegar. And at the end, I put a little bit of green coloring, so I end up with nice wasabi color. To make sure everything is properly combined, I transfer it inside the blender and I blitz it for a few minutes. Again, at the end, I check the thickness with xanthan gum and the foam is ready to go. And to create the foam, you just transfer it inside a siphon bottle. Put one charge in, or if you have big bottle, you wanna do 2 charges. Shake it properly, and you should end up with beautiful foam like this. And for the wasabi foam, you do exactly the same steps. Shake it properly, and the wasabi foam is done. And what's your favorite espuma, guys? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn how to do espumas, check out this video and learn how you can make chocolate, almonds and blueberry foam. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon.